Hi, this is the continuation of the first part of page builder go through video. So let's see some other steps page builder offers. Let's see we have seen the let's see the countdown plugin. So first of all, let me add an column, basically one row, as it is one column, and add the countdown from extras. Now you have to select the countdown. You can see the text coming up here, countdown. That means I have selected it correctly. And go to the settings and select any future date, like I select 15th April, and you will see the countdown has been started. And you can also set a text which will be shown after the countdown is over. There will be no countdown and the text will be visible. Like you can say the countdown finished, something like this. Now let's see another plugin, typed.js. Let me take two column and add the typed.js. This is the text animation actually. So select the typed. You can see the text type. I have selected it perfectly. Now go to settings. You can change these texts, like I can add I am web developer, I am web designer, I am full stack developer. So now after I move the cursor, I can see the texts are animating here. The text I have added. You can change the speed of this animation. You can change the delay to start of this animation. You can do all other steps here. You can play around with this. Now let me show you the slider plugin. This is the slider plugin. By default it gives you 3 slides. So if you want to increase more slides, you can just copy paste the slides by clicking this copy paste icon. And now let me show you that I can add an image to this slider. If you want, you can add an image. You can set the dimension of this image to 100%. I mean the width of this image. This is the first slide. You can also add other slides. You can also add images or text. You can add. Let me add an text. So let's give the text here. You can change the background image of the slide. Just select the slide and go to the style panel. The style panel decoration. In the background part, you can select the background color. You can also add the background image. Now let me add the color. You can add the background image like this if you want, and add text over the background image. Any texts like this. Of course you will select a different background image which goes with this text. You can also add other slides, just copy pasting this slider. You just need to click on this icon to copy paste. Now let's add a text slide. I can add this text in this slide. I can change the background color. Select the slide, go to style panel and select the background color. First close this and then open another. Here you have to give the color code of the background color. Here is the background color, and double click on this to change the text. You can change the text color from the text editor, and also you can change the text color or font size or anything from the style panel in the typography section. From the typography section you can align the text like this, or change the background color, font color, font size, etc. This can be changed from the text editor too. So let me show you another thing is map. You can add a map. Just add a column, row basically, as we are giving one column in the container. So now go to the extra part, and no, not there, go to basic and select the map, just add it here. Now select map, click on the map. You can see the text is map, so I have selected. Now let's say we are in the location of London, UK. Just press enter and you will be redirected to the in the map to London. And we can also change the map type to satellite like this, or road map like this. We can also zoom the map, just slide this. Then we can also add cards and lists. Now let's take another container and 3 columns. Go to basic. You will get some pre-designed card and list. Take one card, and you can also change the images from here of this card. You can change the text of this card. You can also have some list. You can also change the text of this list, just double clicking on this, like card list. These are pre-designed cards and lists. You can change the image. The image is too big. Still at this. You can upload another small image like this. Select it. You can also change the text of this list. You can also change the dimension of this image from style panel. Do whatever you want to make it good looking. Okay. Now you already have seen the style panel, but let me introduce it to you more. Here you can see the general section where you can float any section to left and right. You can set the dimensions like width, like maximum width of any section or blocks. You can set the padding, margin, typography, like font, change the font color, font size, font weight, and text alignment. From decoration you can also change the background color, then the border color, then you can add some shadow to any section or blocks. So I have just go through some basic things. You just need to play around with these things and you will discover more and more feature. So now let's save this page builder and see what it looks in the front end. Now you can see all the sections, all the maps, plugins we have added in the front end. So the page builder is working just fine. Thank you for watching.